Sterilite's 5-shelf unit is the sturdy, rust-proof solution you've been looking for. This shelf is part of a cohesive family of hardware items designed with heavy-duty plastic that will not dent, chip, or peel. Assembly is quick and easy. Start by taking inventory of the parts. You should have 16 legs and 5 shelves. If you're missing any pieces, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service reps. Grab a shelf and lay it flat on the ground. Next, insert the narrow end of the leg. Add the remaining legs, pop on the shelf, and move up layer by layer. Heavy items should always go as low as possible to avoid any accidents. We recommend a maximum of 150 pounds per shelf layer, and as a helpful reminder, we've molded that number under each individual shelf. Easy to clean, waterproof, and best of all, it won't rust. And with ventilation holes, your items stay dry and odor-free, even in more humid environments. Our shelf totes and footlockers were designed specifically to fit into these shelving units, creating a sleek and cohesive look. This shelf will simplify the chaos. From the laundry room to the pantry, the basement to the garage, this shelf was engineered to handle it all.